Hello guys, welcome back to Anup channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase your Telegram channel post views, right, using our Telegram view bot, right. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So let's start the video. So example, we have this SS Venture channel, right? You can see number of posts. There are many posts, right? And they have near about 5,233 subscribers, right? And they have per post views, you can see only 235 views, right? And over here 314, over here 307, like this. So I have taken just example for this channel, right? So let's start the video. So let me show where is my bot, right? So example, this is my bot, right? You can see, right? So what will this bot do when we click on the back to menu, right? Or we will just click start. Whenever you send command start, bot will send like a screen like this, right? If you want to add the bot as a channel for auto views, you have to add the bot in channel, right? And make the bot admin. I will show that also. First show you manual procedure, right? So test manually. When we click on the test manually, right, you can see it is telling us to send me the link like this in this format, right? So let's copy the link from this channel, from the channel, right? This is a channel. Okay, take it. Take this one. So this is the channel. We will click and copy post link, right? And we will go to the bot and we will paste over here, right? And we will write at the rate how number of views we want, right? Example, we want 500 views, right? We just wrote the 500 and hit enter. We send it to the bot, right? And now you can see the bot will start working on the channel, right? So it was, you can see 291, 314. So it is too fast software, right? You can control the speed also of the bot, right? All the features are available. You can see number of views 411, right? You can see over 429, right? So it's increasing the views, right? So example, let me show this also. Copy posting. You go to bot, you will test manual, and you will type 1000 in this, right? For show the demo 1000, and you can see it will start working on the views, right? This right? So it will start giving the views to the second post also that we have copied, right? So we have copied this one. You can see it's increasing the views, right? Yeah. So now let me show you the uh, auto version, Telegram auto view version, right? Test, I think the channel, one channel we have, right? We will do one thing. We will just add this bot to our channel, copy. So right? We will make the bot as admin, right? Manage, right? Later. Okay, let's add this. Okay, add a register. We added this bot as admin, right? For the auto views, right? We close this, we save. Now bot is admin, right? So now we will tell the bot to give the views to this particular channel. Go to it over here, back to menu, right? We will add channel, right, option, and we will run this command. We have to remove other thing. We have to just paste the username, right? So we will paste this and number of views we want. Example, we want 500 views per post, right? So we put it 500 and send it to the bot, right? So test auto added to the channel, right? So it is added. Now we will test, right? So we will test. Just we will hello. It's just testing. We wrote. So we send a hi message on the channel, right? So now the bot will detect the post, right? So we have posted, the bot will detect the post, right? And it will start giving the views to our channel, right? So yes, now you can see there is two views already done. Bot will detect the post and it will start automatically giving, right? So it will look like a natural. Whenever we post, it will automatically detect and it will give. So we don't have to worry about the views, right? So I think we need to refresh this so to get the views, right? getting the views, right? You can see 58 views already have been done, and bot is working. We put first, second, we put third, put fourth. Like this, we whenever we go on posting, right? So it will go on increasing, right? We don't have to worry about this. It will automatically, you can see it will automatically giving the views, right? So all posts together, right? So you don't have to worry, it will automatically increase the views of all posts together whenever you post, and it will look like a natural, right? So thank you guys. If anyone want to purchase this bot, you can contact me on Telegram, right? I will provide the description link, all the things. You can contact me over. Thank you.